How to fix emoji on Facebook app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video I'm gonna show you the ways to fix emoji on Facebook app. To fix the emoji issue on Facebook app, the most common solution is to update your Facebook application to the latest version. For that, you have to go to your Play Store and check whether the app needs to be updated or not. Type in Facebook on the search box, and here you could see update or maybe open. So if the application is completely updated, or if that does not work, you could check your device's system setting to ensure your emoji keyboard is enabled, and try restarting your phone or clearing your Facebook cache. So if you want to do this, you want to go ahead and click the Facebook, or you just want to long press the Facebook application, go to the app info section, and here you want to make sure to enable the permission as well. After which you want to go ahead and then click on storage and cache. So you want to go to this and then click on clear cache, and if you clear your storage, it's going to permanently delete some of the data. So if you're sure, only then just tap this, or else just leave it as it is. After which you want to go ahead and force off the Facebook application for a couple of seconds, and this should be able to fix it as well. If not, try reinstalling the application. That should be able to fix it. So now you could also go to the keyboard if you want to, by going to the settings on your device, and here you want to type in keyboard and look for it. After which you could actually go ahead and find out. If not, you could go to this display settings and you could find the keyboard, or you could also go ahead and make sure to check whether the emoji is enabled or not. So you could also try restarting the device. That should be able to fix your issue all at once. So these are some of the ways to fix emoji on Facebook app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.